How to adjust color filter string in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on camera app. Now here, so just hold phone and open back camera. Now here, so click on this four dot icon. So after click on this four dot icon and click on this filter icon. So if you want to adjust color filter string, so you will see string is here, so click on string. So if you want to adjust, so you will see you will increase or decrease strength from here. So after adjusting take a picture. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can adjust color filters in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.